To the 2018 Quarterly Tax Estimator. If you're self-employed or run a business, you're expected to pay quarterly taxes and estimate how much you're going to make for the year and pay your quarterly taxes based on that. This program will allow you to do that quickly and easily. You can add paycheck. You can add paycheck by paycheck, the amount you make, the date you received it. You can add any expenses. Who received this paycheck, you or your spouse, whether it's business income or wages. Wages are earnings you have as an employee or on salary, and business are ones you earn from your own business. You can save that, and it will show you your net payout of that paycheck, how much you're expected to pay in taxes from that paycheck, and a quarterly summary down here. Now you can add more paychecks to get an estimate of what you're going to make for the year, or as you go along, it will update your tax profile. You see now it's expected to make $51,700 with $2,500 in taxes based on the yearly projection. You can see tips on your Medicare withholding, Social Security, and federal withholding from wages. You see wages, it calculates your federal withholding for you. If you want to calculate accurate federal withholding, you have to fill out your paycheck frequency. This is important to do for you and your spouse if you receive wages. You can also choose your filing status. And if you don't like the estimates, or if you don't want to enter paycheck by paycheck, you can enter the total amount for the year here, and it will override those paychecks. Same with business income. You can also type in the number of federal allowances you have for accurate federal withholding calculations. And you can enter in manual federal withholding if the amount for the year was different than the amount calculated by the app. You can add several adjustments to income, such as the self-employed health insurance or the health savings account. You can choose the months you were self-only plan or the months you were on a family plan. And you can also add credits, such as the earned income credit, credit for child and dependent care, expenses, or education credits, like the Lifetime Learning and American Opportunity, mortgage interest, adoption credits, several of the popular credits. In the Predictions tab, it will show you, based on the paychecks you've made and what you're expected to make for the rest of the year, this is how much you're going to take home that you get to spend. This is how much you'll pay in self-employment and how much you'll pay in taxes. You see here, we see a layout of how much our combined income is. We see the deductible portion of the self-employment tax, and it calculates our adjusted gross income and our modified adjusted gross income. It gives us a $24,000 standard deduction based on 2018. It shows we owe $3,251 in taxes, and it subtracts our non-refundable credits. We see our other taxes, such as our self-employment tax, taxes from wages, and our refundable credits, such as the education credit, the earned income credit, and federal tax withholding that we've already paid. And it gives us an estimate of how much we should pay by the end of the year. This is manually taken out all throughout the year out of your paychecks. You see, if you made $2,300 January 24th, you should set aside $356 in taxes. If you made that same amount in April, well, based on what it expects you to make, you could actually save $258 that you would have paid in taxes. As you go on, you see October 15th, we're expected to pay $500, and by the end of the year, $500 to get the same amount that our taxes are estimated to be. Thank you.